Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Ravencoin, we are trading at 0.04808. 24-hour volume, we're down 19.78%, and market cap, we are down 6.81%. So heading over to the chart here, you guys, I have it laid out on a weekly chart, and we can see so far in this week, ending today, we have stride all the way up as high as 0.07752, and we can see the session so far, we're probably going to be ending near the bottom, which essentially means that the bears are taking control of the market itself, and we are going to come down in an area of support. As we see, the RSI itself is at 83%, considered to be overbought. Retracement levels are going to be coming down, and we're going to see dips in the market as well. We can see that our K line, which is this pink line here at 58%, again, is soon going to be catching up closer to the 80% and be considered overbought. And once we see that crossover that we saw here on August 1st and August 6th, initially is going to pull the price down. So until the price comes up and retests this area of resistance of our fib line at 61%, which is 0.05490, then price again is going to come back down and retest this resistance turned into support at 0.04314. If we do see that crossover in the next couple of days or so. What's really nice too is we saw support last week from our 20 moving average, which is this orange line, and it's going to be treated as resistance and now turned into support. As we can see, the MACD indicator here is striding with these big histogram bars, or the growth of this momentum itself. We can only hopefully catch ourselves again at the 61% of our fib here. Now going into our daily chart here, you guys, we see more refined candlesticks, but mostly what we do see is we are considered to be oversold and an opportunity of the market to reverse itself. We take a look at our RSI at 0% and 7%. Keep in mind, for Ravencoin, it can essentially come down to 0 and 0% before we see the price pull on the upside. Now, if we do anticipate price to fall a little bit lower again, because we're only at 0 and 7% of our RSI numbers, then essentially we're going to come back down again, either at this number here at 38% of our fib at 0.04675 here, and then pick up really nicely and hit our fib chart here at 50%. As we can see, the MACD indicator itself is showing slowness in the trend of this bull trend, essentially meaning what price may actually do once it hits down here at the 38% or the 78% of our fib is essentially coming down to support and then consolidating sideways, or the price may actually see that we are going to do a side price action, consistently hitting resistance and then coming down to an area of support. Now, lastly is our 1 hour chart here, you guys. We can see multiple areas where price again has moved sideways here in the red zone of our MACD indicator, and we initially flipped over in the green at a key area essential of our resistance line. However, in a 1 hour time frame here, we can see we are continuously in the bear market as we've been rejected from our 20 moving average line here. A few candlesticks itself tried to break through it, but again, it has found ourselves below it. And since we are closing down here, we are most likely going to again come up to resistance and then come down to our support number at 0.0463 and continue the pattern correctly. Now, if we take a look at our RSI again, we are considered to be overbought here as we have initiated a sell opportunity as these two lines crossed at our fib chart at 38%. So again, we are hoping to hold ourselves either at the 78% or be prepared for Ravencoin to come down to our 78% of our fib chart. And if you notice that it did accumulate a little bit more trades here as the volume profile off to the side generated a lot of trades at this dollar amount. So that's my video here for Ravencoin, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.